That's very nice. Thank you. How do you feel about your dad? Hey, Sid, on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the greatest ever, how would you rate... Hey, Sid. Listen to this. Sydney, on a scale... Sid! On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best ever, how would you rate your dad? A 1 or a 10? What do you have to say, Mom? What are you saying, Bob? You're a goofhead. Poor dude.